Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of trading basics. And in this video, I am going to show you how can you clear history in your Coinbase. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to clear the history, you just simply have to open your Coinbase application. Now after opening the Coinbase, just simply tap into this search button into the top. And after tapping the search button, you will see all of your recent and histories into here. Now in order to clear the history, just simply click into this clear button into here and your history will easily be cleared. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.